Look how long me tell about my business, eh? Look how long me tell you say me want the ear, eh? I have to talk about a little bit on the ear. God knows me can't bother with you, you know, Kyle. Me can't bother with you. 2 or 3 months me tell about my thing, you know. You're supposed to save and put down money if you me something, you know. John, you see all you? You see if I win some woman, you get burnt till you're weak.
Babe, remember say food me have to buy, no man. The bill them have to pay, no man. And I like say now get here, you know. Just can't buy the one right now. Because we have bills power with. Baby.
Imagine, me of all person, you came here go embarrass me, eh? You know you make me feel shame up a stage a while ago. Jesus Christ, you know them the girl up there, so you know. When they don't take for me name and go scandal, so me man can me come a shop fi buy expensive ear and he can't pay for it.
Remember so we have one little leakage in the bathroom, you know. I have to sort out that, you know. Plus they don't know we have look other things to do in our house, you know. See all the fridge be even freeze. You have to start out doing something, and I like say, now get here, you know, baby. You just now get the one there right now. You know me love the same way. A roadside with the point and make a scene, baby. Really?
Love can't put ear on your head.
But I know that baby, just hold out the man. You can sit by and go on a little bit. And I like say, now get here, you know. Everything alright, baby, man. The school, man.
Me want, a matter of fact, me no want it, me need it. And anyway, me no get it, me you go in a thing. If you think I lie, me I tell you, watch here. Tired of everything, looking at the place, eh? Looking at it also in the house there. Look at the place, eh?
Babes, you know if you go and say, you know, until I say everything alright, you know. Look how you're going out the road, baby. Things are just take a little time now. I make sure you say alright, baby. Anything you ask, you go get it. Just calm down now, man. I know you didn't want to hear, man, but thing alright, man. Give me a little time, baby. And make sure you say everything alright for you. You hear that? Love the same way you're doing, you're going, you know. And if you're going somewhere.
From me come here, so, from me there with you, I saw the place there until now. And you still tell me if you hold on. Hold on power. You don't bother with them in your life, you know. I'm tired of
You're
it.
going so. You touch, you know.
No.
Everything alright, you know. Just give me a good time, you know. Have a good faith now, you know. Yeah, move so. You know me love you. I just think kind of rough for me right now. I mean, I try, you know. So we just been out of now, so now, baby. Hold on. You take the file of the babes.
If you can't speak, I know, coming on husband and your girl, I'm call you.
Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Boy, not really going good for me, I know, in my general. Everything I feel, you know, man, but I soon make a payment, man. I soon sort it out, yeah? Just give me a little time.
Why didn't you come and tell me that you have some problem?
Like sometime, you know, man, we have money, you know, full of pride, you know, man. Jaja.
This is an organization, and either you come down to the bank quickly, or you're going to have to use your papers and leave some asset or something. So, do the right thing, okay, Mr. Kyle?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
3 months, I ain't not paying nothing for loan. Look at the place, you know, fix up. Worse, you go embarrass me up at station shop. You know, say a fool you take me for. Fool you take me for. Hold on, power. No, you take me for one big idiot. No, ramping. Look here. You see everything in here, so? Remember, say I feel me money buy it now. You know, not even this year you can't buy put in the house. So the dresser, the fan, and the chair over there, so plus me iron. Me come back for everything.
Me know.
No worry yourself. Let go me back.
You really just do that, baby?
Take people for
You love you, baby, you move, sir.
Love. Excuse me. Go love yourself right now. A better life you want.
Sandy, really?
And live a better life.
Sandy,
Bye.
where you go? Sandy! Yeah, God. Sandy, baby.
What a good man. Yo, me Jay, what go on? Alright, yeah man, you can get the bima with the music with them man, but about the next half hour, you know, because they are car wash, you understand? Yeah. Don't worry yourself man. There's a 2 errands for run, collect 2 rent from some people in the park, right? So. And then man, check back on it and show it you. Alright? Alright, my general. Yeah. Good morning, Fallon. You have the money?
Rent money again, sir. As me pay rent who?
Listen, my man, I tell you, I'm going to change the rent date.
Me no.
Your whole rent. Like, me never tell you, I change the date. Fallon, me tell you, I move up the date. So you have to pay rent now. Did I not tell you? It's like I didn't tell you. I tell you that the rent will be earlier for this month.
Me want to go, but I put it at the last of the month. So every last of the month, me pay the rent. So me have time for the rest of the month if you can find the money.
Are you a rent me place or me a rent you place? You need to look into that.
But me still have to figure out how to pay the rent, how to get the money in.
I don't busy though you get the money, Fallon. You just get the money in time. I'm just gonna give you 2 more days.
2 more days, sir.
2 more days, Fallon.
2 more days no work so with rent.
You know
And business place, people don't rent place like that. Plus, you have me in the back. Yes.
That is for security, Fallon. You have no reason to go there. That is not your concern. That is my security. Listen, my man. You're falling short, you know. You're really falling short. And I see people coming in and out. You're making money and you're falling short.
That means you're watching me business.
You have to watch me place.
You're watching me business. Mother Jesus. 2 days.
Alright.
2 days.
Don't worry yourself. Today I went.
You figure out it, you know.
Today I Tuesday. You see by Thursday, just make sure you have the money.
I will find it. By the hook or the crook, I will find it. I can't take the stress and problem with them rent. Them are dirty landlord.
Can't bother with them tenant.
Not even want to fix up the place. Dirty landlord. No, that not include tip. 15 for acrylic. Yeah. Current gone in, I mean, no hot water. But unless you want the cold water, I still work with it, but you know, you want your little pampering. Missy J. I don't tell Missy JPS. I swear say I cut them a cut off like, oh, me Bridget. I mean, I run this a time, you know. Me never did I run this a time, yeah. So I go and good girl in the pan today. See, you not do no nails today, no money, no pay nothing.
What's that? You know, say I want money, me come borrow from you, do.
Borrow money, you know, them tell me. A pandemic, this is a pandemic, woman. You know, them tell me you want to borrow money.
I know me broke.
So if you borrow it, how you pay back?
I find a way to try to pay back money.
How you find a way? And you not work? So, mama, you know no man?
Well, you know, so I have a look at one link still, but I just see just come and go and I'll do look at thing and something, but...
Alright, you have a link. Let me tell you one style. It's when you and him get together again. Tell him say you're pregnant. Tell him say you're pregnant. And the man nowadays they don't want no pitney, you know. You hear me say? So just him will give you one money if you go dash away. So you just use that the money there and do what you want to do. You hear me say? Cause me not no money for none of them. I tell me a pandemic. The pandemic act. You have to know if you choppy line. You look so good. Cause you look good like Naomi Campbell. Walk. If you start drive.
You know, say I true, girl. You know, say I true, me go try, man. Me go try.
Do it. It will work out. You have to work.
I don't know, say the thing that me the country check off a door, but they say not having or something, so. We will link up, man. Me I just, you know, never go.
Alright. See how
Alright, later.
Later. Can't take them and sit here. Landlord come. Girl come. Friend come. We can't take it. Too much problem. Too much pressuring. Me there go and
Jaja.
Yeah, brother.
Listen, me there, me Jay.
You know, for the item where you bring come to sell, brother, I want good piece of food to get feet in that, but you know, that people money there for you. You man know yourself, alright, that's how we go. You see another way, okay, I make a piece for food, you know, but, yo, whenever the man call link, you man, I would talk about this, you understand?
Me link you later, sir.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, we Sunday I come for now. Hey, babe. What happened to you? Make a sound so.
Yeah, girl, you don't know, say me left the one Kyle him. Me have to left for me pack up my things and man left, man. Here things are going.
you and Kyle.
How are you there?
Me do your peppers are going normal. Which way they?
Then forward now. Forward, man. Forward. Me there. Alright, do what you do, man. Forward. Me there. You can't tell me now when they go on with you and Kyle. Just come. Come. Alright. That's weird.
Sunday, wait there. I don't know how to go.
Yeah, down there so now go.
You know, say there's something you want to buy down there for me do, but you want if I come up here, so back.
You know, so me not think me I come back up if you right now. Nothing so at all. By the way, what you did want? Mama?
Pregnancy test.
For yourself?
Yeah.
Give me your money.
Sandy! Come on. How are you go? You don't make my peppers, girl. So tell me now, girl, what happened? Your son terrible on the phone. I mean, no, that's not you. What go on?
You know, so me have to left the boy. Me left him, man. Me have to pack up me something and left this man.
Joke, yeah, make a kind of Kyle, you're doing something good. So, yeah, check.
Look here, that went good when the money did there. The money when did it when he might do that good. No money no did it again.
Girl, we'll have to. You must want something to drink.
Yeah man, one can water.
Alright, we'll have to.
This a kind of wash good, man. Yeah, man. I style like you take style, you know. Hey.
money for paying the rent. Your life a pressure me right now, come next time I have to go a bank or borrow one loan or something. And you hold up them and get on call. You put up on board. Somebody will come. Yes, girl. What?
Actually, yeah, me I call tell you know, say me borrow your wig do me I go in town go mash one crime and come back.
Really, I don't ask me what girl, I can't take you wig and go on. Just take what you want and just go on. But if I want important car right now, so yeah.
Yeah man, alright. Alright, cool.
Right. Yeah, my friend called me.
Come now, drink and tell me yours. But you know, come to think about it, be here all we have to say. And to be honest, you know, Sunday, me have to be true, nobody begs.
So me can go on so.
Sound like say, the man did have everything now. Remember, say you used to tell me how at and all these things are money are run. But to me, it sound like as the money kind of they go low, you know how much you're ready to cut. Like a gold
Look
digging
like you not listen, or you not hear what me I say, good. You hear me just tell you say? Actually, you know, look here, you might see me, you know, and think that everything good. Recently, I pay mackerel the boy I feed me pan. Mackerel go, mackerel come.
Them you tell me say, good up, Kyle, you talk so good about. They feed you for mackerel.
Him same one.
And then, oh, so that's the reason why you know make the guy horse, you know me tan.
Come me couldn't care you come this up. You know what he said? You always tell me say you want to come know which part me live. And me never care. Girl, you don't want to see in the house. Shame.
Joke yeah, make a kind of Kyle you're doing something good, so yeah.
Right now, you look like say you're sex, you want him, want me sex, want rebel, you know. Me no want no gas.
You're rough. But at least you know, so when you got a party, you know if you go back go look no man. Because you see the nice, fine figure and you take up yourself, boy, you want that the man there now, see it there, swell on you.
So clear, yeah, you rub that
No man, you know what I mean, friend. But I truth, you know me playing. You understand?
You know, me come to stay neither, you know. Because I have to go back down with my people them. So, me am going to make you know what is what between me and that boy there.
Nobody begs with me with that. But just when it talk my mind. But me know how the family things stay and the fact that you go live with man and all the wait all of that. Anyways, you guys, your man you done go live with man and sit now go back a family you had one bag of drama out there for you. So if you want no link to no place for rent, we can make one link for you. Does it mean?
Alright, me call you, Fanny.
Okay.
Top bad, someone. Top bad.
Chaplain.
Oh God. Yeah, man, there. I'm say, yeah, C-Star. Go on easy.
No see a long time I don't see you, don't want to say you know.
You want to see me?
Come here, no see me miss you. I want to see you. From what day me I think about you and so.
Yes, you miss me. Alright, so look here now. So just meet me in that town. Meet me in that town. Yeah, you pick you up, honestly.
Alright, cool.
Like, now go on in the idea, yeah. But me wanna sweep me up so. No, let me kiss.
Can't bother no man. know, so I miss you.
Oh, man.
Me don't want to go up to your hotel. That's not too far right now. We can go to the beach park.
Yeah, of course.
You know, say, a long time me and you link on something, but right now I don't even know how I did miss you. Come like you starve me out.
Oh, so not really that, man. I'm busy, you know. What does mean?
I can't do something right here now, right here, so.
Of course. Right now. And that's me put this condom here. Shit, the condom boss.
Plate, still dirty, mama in. Brittany!
Come in the wrapping shop.
No man, someone man. Men no pray for man, watch out. Game? No man, Brittany not going good. Brittany! No man, Brittany there. Mama, she got. Brittany! Little girl! Hello. Oh, where you there, son? Eh? Where you there, son?
Me a text snap daddy.
You see how down there house there?
Hold on this.
You wash plate, you prep bed, you do nothing, you don't for morning. Suppose we say about when your auntie them was here, eh? At that them are gonna call me and tell me no say everything you use, you left it dirty and all that and something there. You understand? You're a big girl now, you're 18 years old, you're out school. Brittany, need feel better, Brittany. You understand?
But me never feel good, daddy.
Feel good. You see the place where you're there. If you clean, cleanliness is godliness. I mean, I try to put in there where you're not learn. Hey, world normal, you know. Post something happen. But me not do that. How you gonna survive out there? Eh? How you gonna survive? Because right now you can't have to manage yourself. And if you do better now, yo, go down and clean it. Go down and clean it. Go down and clean it. Okay. I don't feel me that after this. What is that? What is that? You done? You know, say, I didn't think that I run from. I run from things that's so hard. That's to make sure something provide. everything you need to make you reach yourself. You know what that look like? Brittany, what is this, Brittany? What is this, Brittany? Yeah, let me lose it, Brittany. You know how hard it is to do a 9 to 5 and still have a mental up, so. Eh? And plus you are going to make it worse for me, you know? You no matter how much try to guide it on the right path, to make it up on the straight and narrow road, you find the corners and the cribbles and the lane them. Eh? What I say? This can't happen in my place. I don't know where I go with it, but the thing are coming, you know what it's my name? Your mother, your workplace mother. You want to say like your mother? Answer me now. You want to say like your mother? You come like, yo, it's 2 and 1 enough. Hey, you try to remember to play them before wash up now. Oh.
Brittany! 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 What to you? What are you doing? So what? What to you?
The day up there, cousin, something that says to me, start crying and come down here.
Your father really there? But anyway, I run me, I come run and come look for you and say me I come get a check. Because I don't fit depend on people in place. You understand me? So everything good with you, the whole school and sitting.
Mommy done school now.
Done school?
Yeah.
I saw time fly, Pitney. Time fly, man. Me never did know say time fly so fast, man. Just try hold your head up, you know, and keep your foot down. Me know say you no look a young girl going like you know want boyfriend early, you know. Me know say you no look a young girl have a look a boyfriend. Me no see her talk and I go on like you have money. Why boy you look a boyfriend? Tell me, man, cause you can't talk to me.
Yeah, me have one boyfriend in school. Daddy don't know.
And before you go even no further, Miss Ma'am, you not have sex?
Me not start yet because me myself don't know nothing about them things there. So me not start it or anything.
Me know say you didn't tell about it, you know. But hear what me I say. Even if you reach to that, please me they beg you. Make sure say you use a condom. You understand me? I mean, I really indulge more in mind and not think about man. You understand? Because right now, you have to think about yourself first and higher esteem you have to think about. Think about them, man, because you see what they do to them young. You know, look at your eyeball. Look at your eyeball and see what they do to them little young girl. A disease, all sort of sitting. Breed them, left it upon them mother, father, everybody have to jump in and help. Them not help. You understand? So you have to know yourself. You hear me? Okay.
How Brittany she? You still not watching me play them?
No, sir.
Still a good girl I get from back to.
Anyway, I get one little phone here now. So I can give you my number so you can link me up. You understand? Cause you understand? Things are going bright for me now.
What's here?
Christ.
Miss Sissy, are you share the kid with you now? Brittany, you still never play them up there, Brittany? Brittany, you still never play them up there, Brittany?
But this man.
Why are you here today? What bring you here? What bring you here today? All of a sudden just pop up out of nowhere.
Mister, one reason why I'm there for your property, you know. And that's because I'm a daughter, you know, and I love and you don't understand, you know. You say that you make all of this, you know. You think so not me I can look over your place? I don't want nothing for thief. I don't want nothing. I don't beg you nothing. Brittany make me there.
Brittany
and my daughter.
If you did one day, that day you love the street more than your daughter. if you did one there, you would have there. A party and a floss and all of that, something that you pick over your daughter. Are you cause everything? You cause everything.
Cause what? Cause what?
She a galang so, she a behave so, and now do what she fi do. You understand? And because me no lick pick me, you know, I prefer discipline them and send them somewhere else go live, you know. Yo, you're gonna make me just send out of the place, you know. Just continue to test my faith, you know. Yo, go on where you go. Brittany, go wash your plate. And last time I tell her, go on where you go, me say. Brittany, go wash your plate. Go wash your plate, Brittany. Watch out. Hey, alright, just lick you with that piece of, hey. Sure. Yeah, man.
Right, I'm just can't bother this thing right now. Daddy has stressed me too much. Madam did it wrong, my mother. Can't take daddy no more. And I'm just can't bother. Right now I come out and I can't take it no more. Just can't take it no more. Just I'm sick and tired of it. Look if you don't see Insta act up. I'm not around with him, just can't take it no more. I'm out of here. Can't take this no more.
My plan for tonight, baby.
Just carry back me.
I know, baby. I don't say a long time I link though. I said I can't go on Fiji night. Yes, sir.
Well, me never, ready and things. But I wonder if I could have wait. No, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready.
Wait for me, baby. Look how long me I talk. I'm never cheap for you. I have to wait, target you. From me, I never do nothing for disrespect you or make you feel uncomfortable. But always do the fear. Look there, as you calm me there, you fool. See, most can make a general feel nice in the night. Most can give me a blow. Listen, can't go on.
Travis, if you really love me and care about me, you must can't wait.
Well, honestly, I don't understand. I don't know why I'm supposed to wait after me do everything what I'm supposed to do. You see me? So, I don't see the reason why I'm supposed to wait right now. To me, so it seems like you're trying to say, oh, I'm not good enough. You see me? That's how you make me feel, right?
Travis, no, not like that. Me a virgin.
Oh.
So, I'm kind of scared to do it. Understand?
I see. Never know. You see me? But don't worry yourself here. Maybe change. You see me? Oh, I'm gonna feel sorry so. Let's see, I'm coming for you, so.
Daddy run out and we didn't have nowhere to stay, so we come here so and they asked them probably could have stayed here for the night. Seriously, girl, your father run you out of the house, them a time of night, yeah? You sit down and look right, yo. Zaffa, come in, cause time late. You shouldn't have on the road in time, yeah. Come. So late to wake up, girl. Gosh. I just 10 o'clock.
Girl, 10 o'clock late. Me I'll wash clothes and put on the line almost dry.
Gosh.
So, you eat it?
I want snacks in my bag when I eat, but would I eat something else, yes?
Alright then, if you want something to eat, you can go in the fridge, go look for something.
Alright then. Oi, wait there, come here.
Hey, remember, so we need to talk about what happened last night, because you don't understand why your father would have run out of your house in the late night. You know why. So when you finish eat, just remember, so we have to talk. Yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Girl, me can't believe your father do something like that. Run you out of your house in the middle of the night. No, we need to get to the bottom of this. We need to do something about this. We don't have a problem with you staying here, no, but we need to know why your father run you out of your house.
Alright, let me tell you about it. Let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you. My father see one video in my phone, right? When me a wind up on one boy, you know them thing there something that not really happen with the video or anything, nothing wrong. You know, see like saying see me in a naked clothes or anything. Alright, so after that now, he see the video on my phone, he start make up be nice and one bag of something, so I walk off because I couldn't take it. I thought be a thing so my mother and something, so I couldn't take it me just, you know, walk off and things. So after that now, later down, my mother come look for me. So me and her the one place and something I talk, me see my father show up. Start disrespect my mother and I run her out of place and something, but she come out her yard and one bag of something. So me have to really look into myself and say, I see my father really do in front of his own daughter face. So I said, no. He run my mother out of place and something. My mother gone. And at the night now, me there on the bed lie down. My father just walk in, come drag her sheet off of me. And I tell him to come out and place. He watch me, I pop the bag. And me thinking they tell me say, if you pack up my clothes then when I go anything, he just watch me pack the bag and tell me to go out and place. And I made that. This is me end up down here. Never know say my father would have do that. Never know say he would have do that.
Girl, it don't matter. You just turn 18 now, you fend for yourself, you find food to eat and then something the girl. Can't work, girl, it can't work, man. We need to go down to the station right now. Man. Oh, we can't go down there like this, we need to find something with sleep, so I go for my sweater.
We have something to do with night on important, so you know it take me around 10 or 15 minutes. So I meet at the police station, so you can just go and let me come down there. Here?
Brittany, make sure you don't play with me, you know. Make sure you don't play with me because this is pretty crucial. Make sure you meet me down at the station. Alright.
You know, say God know, man, right now. You better just come out of me and go and buy your business, man. God know, cause after I see a young woman turn around the road when I yo, you better just go on here, man. You see me? Don't touch me, say just go on your ways, brother. Just go on your ways, you see it? Cause I can't believe you do me that, you. God know, you a foul person, never expect you to do that, you see me?
Travis, you know, so I never mean nothing by it. I not tell you no lie. I not even know how it happened, it just happened. You just push your tongue in my mouth. No mean nothing by it.
You can't tell me say that no mean nothing, you.
I just want a little kiss. You don't mean nothing.
Yo, you're lucky, you know. Can you say for a certain man, your face tear off already. That, yo, you're lucky you can't come stand up in me and chat to me, you see me? You better just go away.
Travis, look for me now. You remember say, you did say we want a break, not true?
Alright, Stacy. Here I go. Just give me a little space, man. Let me just process this whole thing, cause you see right now, me not think straight right now, you see me? Because I just never expect you to do that, you see it? So just give me a little space. That's all me ask, alright?
Alright, Travis. I will give you space, I can think about you here. I will check you back later here. Or I call you. I can call you later. You just want you get the time to think about things here.
Yeah, man, I just need to process this whole thing.
Let me call you later, you go answer me.
You never might know.
Can I get a hug before I go?
Just go on, Stace. Just go on, man.
Yeah, Soapy. Yeah, my Jenna, you don't see my daughter pass or so?
No, here from man, you know something to say.
Yo, alright. If I see them, I look for you and can't find her, you know.
You don't know if you see her?
Yeah.
I'm going to link you.
Alright, brother. Alright, I'm get one nice soup, them, here. Alright, enough respect. Yeah, man.
Who me can't call now to get Brittany no father number? Oh,
Hello? Miss Anja, you don't see Brittany come around and on tall. Find yesterday, man. You don't see her on tall. Alright, no problem. How Tim, so I go on, brother? You don't see Brittany, yo. You don't see Brittany? Hey, Brittany could have there. Mommy. Brittany come around yesterday? No. She didn't wear her mother by the way, man. So I'm not so food her right now. I'll call her.
Travis! 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 Travis!
you may call Travis phone and now get there. You already got one phone.
Travis!
How would that call? What we? How Brittany that? How Brittany find me hard? No, sir. How Brittany find me hard now? Brittany, how you doing, sir? How you even find upon me live?
I must say the time I say a white hall I live. I just come a white hall and show some people a picture and they say, yeah, right, I say you live.
You didn't even call me and tell me say you're forward. I want me.
See, you had drop me off last night. Well, I never did some live and my girlfriend lived there with us, so I stayed there for the night and things, so that's it. I'm forward over here. So you know, let me in.
Yeah, man, I can come here, man.
So much to carry this.
You know, say, where I may drive and I swing out a one dog and just licking a one patrol, you like front end mash up. So I have to leave here, but just, you know.
So you see you live?
Man, base this one. Not too bossy still no, but yeah, I try work to set it up one thing, man. Mine's this one, is it? Yeah.
So one kind of just scare me here so last night more than we gonna guest house.
God know be place not too safe in the night, you know. You see me? They want to come around and say whether them hours and night, you see me? So I just say, oh, let's bring up my guest house, man. And worse, more I feel comfortable, you see me? Yeah. So, be how long you plan to stay because nobody expects you to forward and them things, you see me? And me calling some people to come work on your house and things, you see me? So, how long you plan to stay?
So Travis, suppose we want to stay here for a little while. Yeah, Travis say you can't stay here or something for a week or a couple days.
No, be. I never say you can't stay, but you just show up unexpected when a bit things are going on and mama say me tell us some people are going to work on you or something, you see me? You know say the place stay, place want to set up one thing, but if there's somewhere you want to stay, you can't find somewhere for you to stay.
So, you can't stay here for the night.
Yeah, be of course. You can't stay for the night, man. Cook something lucky and dumpling and make you get feeling with it.
I wonder if you look again with a leak off already. Young man worried in our place. Yo. Hello.
Yeah, ready for this? She come here late last night and she say you run her out of her house.
What you talking about? Me run out data? Me run out no data. So where she run there?
No, she don't dey here. Me and she need to meet up in her town. But me don't know which part she gone.
So she left and not tell her where she go? Alright. If anything me call about, you just get me head together, yeah.
You still like give me money to buy the clothes and do my nails? So the friend I say I'm gonna sponsor my friend to do her ear and back and do her nails. So him say. Alright, I'll call her back. Man, say yeah, man, come on. Give her
So Alicia, remember you know when man a spend, them a go and get something in return. Man a depend that. Say for that in depend, man a depend that.
don't worry yourself, man. I'm gonna call one girl in case if I don't want to. Right now, I'm gonna call her too.
Alright.
James not coming, alright? James! The boy like outside give me a call and answer. James! James!
Yo, Carla. Yeah, come and make a bag of knives like you know used to the place, Carla. Yo, pull up and come. Like you know used to the place.
DJ, you still got the party later? So you don't have nobody to give no money?
I'm not working. I don't have nobody to give me nothing. Not even for beg or borrow.
So that means that you're not go then? Well, that have to just wait and do. Alright, may I see? I go see by later. I go check somebody for you and see by later if I can get no money for you to come at the party.
Really, girl? You done did that for me? Oh, that's why I'm here for real, you know. Alright. We chat. Girl, I go on, I carry on. But me take on another level, me no see them at all.
She said she not have nobody to give her no money and she want me to ask my boyfriend to give her money. But she
But
bright.
you know easy.
She bright.
Alicia, I want to ask you something. You not sure, man?
Girl, what kind of question that you ask me? What kind of man if you share? I'm not sure, my man. Come like you lick your head when you, your mother lick your head when you smile. You don't panic when you smile. What kind of man you share? My man have money nor food for share. Me a brighty girl. Me not share my man, I'm mad. When girl and my man do things you do better than me and she take him from me, you're mad.
And suppose your man out there with other woman, where I say about that? Where I say? You don't know, no? Remember saying I'm going to have other woman out there, so where I say?
Well, better have me don't know about him and me and share my man, you know, because me know that Dali was thing them mash up. No, keep me mad. In cannot touch my body and then go touch other girl body and come back into me. You mad. In can't do that. That just them both man and woman I got mash up because me and beat the two of them. Me and chop up the man first too. And then we burn down the house with him in there.
Then what if it's a case where me and please your man the right way and you not please him the right way?
And I know circumstances me not share my man. So if me can't please him, I better him go on. Kim, by the way, your son like say you that share your man. So tell me, you that really share your man? You that share your man? Answer my question.
Alicia, if him a pay for my nails, do my hair, buy my clothes, and pay for the bills in the house, so I don't want to like say, yeah, but I share him.
Well, that kind of makes sense because if I do my hair, I do my nails, I buy clothes to me, everything's there for me anytime I want something. Yeah, but that's not a case there, yeah, but that share me, yes, making one do a man do about it.
Enough women out there share their man and they even know.
So anyways, girl, I go up, come have some clothes and I want to finish wash. And I have to go take my boyfriend for money to see if he might be money so I can do my nails. So if I anything later, I come call her, I'll check your back.
Alright girl, mother is still. I remember to collect the money from the youth.
Alright.
Kim, what you wanna say about your sister, girl?
My friend just left from right, so that's why I'm
So girl, yeah, yes, the party I keep later, you know, go.
I could have asked her some money, but they say wait for go do my ear. I'll start now wait for that. Yeah, go?
Yeah, girl, I'm just one woman gone with my brother, yeah. Come right to kill sometime till she gone.
So your brother gave money?
Yeah, girl, I'm my father, I'm my brother, the only man them I go take things from. Take man things, though you know I go come after that, though.
As long as I'm my man, I might give him money. I mean, I take him things then.
Always a fair time.
What's in the dying trial?
Auntie, if me hear him, would answer.
Watch ya. I give me attitude. Watch ya. Look how much dirty plate in I sink. You sit down here and listen to Satan music.
Auntie and me just use them. I can wash them up when we finish.
But did you, me need that to come in here and tell you, say we wash them. We can't do so much something. It's better you going back to your mother, you know? Because it's no help to me. You think me take your ear to come turn what this? Me take your ear to come out to something. Go watch up the plate then. Me not doing it. Me not doing it. I better me send you back to your mother. This don't make no sense.
Carl, if you ever check me here, I come back with a bag of knives, Carl, you know? Can't make nobody know it, you know, so business, man. Yeah.
Girl, see girl I left there now. Yes, alright, now come go.
Man, what did you do right I know? Hello?
Carla, yeah man, it's me. You know, say from morning, me day at work, me sweep up the yard, and when me come in at the house, can you imagine say DJ dey on phone, I listen to music and he play them the wash? No, me no know how you do it. No man, look like some me have to go send her back.
Not talk to her.
It not work out. Me can't take it stress. Me no want that before time, you know?
Yeah, just tell DJ I'm not gonna talk to her.
No, but you should have grow her to help you out. No, I mean, you want to get in trouble too.
I hear you. I listen to everything, sister.
No, man. Me just say me I go help you out. Me ain't say me that kill myself helping you out. That don't make no sense. No, you need to talk to her.
Alright? I may come down there later. Come here a piece of money for you. Alright?
Yeah, man. Talk to her. Me can't bother. Me can't bother. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. Me talk to you.
Yeah, man. Okay. Alright.
Deidre, when you finish wash your plate, then I want you beg buy some egg down and shop for me. I'm not talking for conduit now. And them something you may talk to your mother about you, you know. You don't have no manners. Better I'm broke now. Thank you from me. You know them little something you're supposed to can use your mind and say, you know what? Auntie have it hard. Let me come and wash up the dishes. You know, if for some people you have to wipe car glass and all kind of other things. If you glad say, me do you so good, me treat you well. Me not deserve this, Deidre. One man. Alright, man. You can do better, Deidre.
Yo, Jerry, you see Akeem going on the field with you. Yo, the dog right now, the thing hotting up. Yo, who that girl? She look good, so I'm set up for her. Nice girl. Good girl. Mama. All there. Sexiness. All there. Ugly girl. Tough girl. You hear man I call them and I want to you.
And we are called tough girl. Tough like your mama. Your favorite SSP down at L.
You go butterfoot girl. I saw you stay now. You go long man there compliment you and say yeah behave. As man just say something bad I saw you hear. You see all them girls that someone to deal with them more time in my house.
Achoo, man.
Man, sorry. What are no ways, man?
You want to do what's up, man. You don't stand road at that.
Oh, the war again, the brother.
Go, my brother. You alright?
Oh, where there?
You say your sister ear still. Can't get your sister one money for do her ear. Nobody tell me the excuse that every time I see her is an excuse.
Yeah, what? I don't money I know.
I don't want an excuse.
No money I know, sis. You see what I'm saying?
Every
Not
time
there, no money.
I'm tired of that, no. I'm tired. You must can't treat your sister to her ear too. You look at your sister ear. You can't make people out the road say you have woman look nice and look at your sister.
Yo, give me a son, man. This is right now, what you there, yo. Give me a son, yeah. What I'm on this? Let me tell you this. I'm about to come back to, I'm about to come back, This bag of nice. What kind of yard this? What? What, this bag of excitement? What kind of yard this?
Come back again, car party, and come up and go want some food.
Man. Just go on, man. I'm about to foolish, man. Most one papi show yard is the real. You don't understand this. So I go on here. If I come and make one bag of loud nice with the excitement down and something, man. I don't know, man. Make everybody know my business. I say left man gate. The point never come and see me. I said the left man gate. See all, I make people run in and people and do some bag of things, It's alright, man.
Come down here for no reason.
DJ, we are there.
Mommy, Dad. Yeah, Mommy.
Alright?
Yeah.
Everything good? Just come back on the phone with your auntie, Yeah. And the things that my shot tell me where you go on with it is not really like, I don't like it, you understand? And right now, me's not in a position to help you, that is why you stay with her. I know sometimes she can be miserable and all of these things, but she's helping me out, she's doing me a favor. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so any little thing when she tell her to do around the house, do it. I'll sometimes don't even make she tell her to do nothing. You do it before. You understand what I'm saying?
I can't bother. I just feel stressed in that house day. Feel stressed, God knows. Sometimes I can't even sit down in peace. When I watch TV, she call me DJ.
Them not something that way you complain to me about. Them not something that not necessary. You see me, a simple thing like washing up plate and wash your own clothes and them something there. Are you for do them something that you're a young lady? You understand? Right now, the only problem you're supposed to have is having problem with your school work. And if you're having problem with your school work, you get somebody to help you. You understand? You see what me have to do and you see how me I live. You understand? Me don't want you to come out like me. I want you to come out to something good. You understand me? So not bother with what my sister wants to say and help do everything around the house, help her out. You understand me? You hear me I say? Yeah, I saw life going on. I use a young lady. I want you to come out to somebody. I want you to come out to be somebody in her life. You're not go up there forever, Yeah, you're not go up there forever. When I was your age, a whole heap of other something I needed have to do. We don't put nowadays, we don't have internet and there's something that we teach and show you what to do. We'd have to do everything from scratch. You understand what I tell you? So you don't worry your head and and go like you want disrespect her. You understand? Do every little thing what she tell you to do. You understand me? Because in the future, you're gonna see that she was helping you out.
So girl, waiting. I can't already make a party.
Girl, anything you wear still look.
Waiting.
You have to go wear that, you can wear that or anything.
Make sure you know.
Yeah, but I'm going to come.
Alright. So, this me for them, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you're good to go. I just Diandra we have. Me a text service. Cause
You don't just Sheila.
our mother makes you all long,
You know, I'm going to wear this. Cause this short little shape and something.
I hope you wear something nice. Cause I be a short, so you wear a short. Cause I'm mother just in a long skirt and then something.
You could just stick a church with it.
You not gonna test so. This is gonna make your bottom look big.
Girl, not just I said that cause you don't want to tell me. Remember when I go, I want to look like me ready, I don't want to look flap.
They're not gonna look flat or fat, you just have to look simple in the shot.
Girl, make sure, cause you know people stay, you know me stay.
You not look no way, girl. Honest, you know say talk truth, you know. This will make your bottom look big, girl. You gonna look nice now. This make, but this nice too, you know. But this I gonna make your bottom look extra big.
Where the Alicia? Did you get the money?
Yeah, me get the money, but I don't know what. The boy short on the money. Right now, me I get tired of him right now. I might get everything I want, and me can't believe me can't get all of my money. I might give me half of my money. Right now, me I get tired of him.
So how come about you down here, sir? You come down here, sir, come do now.
I said, auntie send me come buy like 2 eggs, but the shop locked.
Okay, alright then. Why not then? Come and know say your auntie are wait for you and everything.
And you know later, we want to go to a party and I know so she go send me.
I'll make you talk to my sister. I'll make sure allow you to go to the party. Okay? You have the money for go out. Alright, me I go give you some money for go out. Alright? And the money after you use for you to buy your own drink when you go to a party. No make nobody buy no drink for you. You understand me? No take no open no liquor. You understand me? And drink to as much as your ability. You understand me? No drink to get drunk. Alright, so some money here, alright? And tell your auntie some soon come, alright?
Alright, mommy.
Alicia, what do you make the radar shots? Because that look good for me.
Alright, we are in the new one. Let's see that look good anyway. See your phone over this side.
Hello? Alicia, I'm so come back here.
Alright.
May I come? The woman in there, so.
I don't know so she did it. You know how good time you want to spend with them before the party, so I can go link you again. Alright, we link at party, yeah?
I'm saying this, I wish I do this for so long.
Yo, General, you know, say, me a pre-life from a day, from what day there, seeing? And it all comes down to man and woman situation, you know. I want to understand me, I say.
What you say to me? Man a veteran in that. You don't see how me roll? Me a won't leave a girl for that. But otherwise than that, sometimes some of them man a fool. Then take up some crazy girl. Can't go out there in yard. Then can't even sleep with their eyes shut. Sometimes you know I watch.
That's true. Some man have a situation they're rough, but me, I have them problems, brother. You see my one of my yard, I have that under control. Because listen, I'm a man. Booth throw. Me that. I deal with certain things. I'm in control. You know what I mean? And when it come down to certain things, I'm gonna play around. Give me a second. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, I watch you play them. No, I never want to close them. How about it? No, I never do that. How? I not get no home tonight. Me a come now. Man. Me a come. Alright, me soon come now.
You know, so who that did it on the phone, General?
What me know me a talk to? I'm my grandmother auntie. I'm here try to help her with one situation. So what? Me can't help out people in a situation.
But General, I don't really say nothing too bad. I'm just concerned because me somebody talk about wash plate and wash clothes. You know me come down still. Well, if you say your grandmother auntie, I believe the eye still, because I expect the eye for your woman to work more so.
Wait, eh? What you talking about? Give me a second again. What you say?
That's some rock. Go on, country there, man.
What you said, you know ready?
Come see, how much got some again? Yeah.
Soon come. Put in a purple plate. Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Oh,
No, man, no. Exercise, me exercise.
yo, here we go. We have to go do road, you know, so. My grandmother auntie call me.
Alright. Forward. Alright.
We link up, yes, sir.
Yeah,
if I don't show me, I can't reason about the situation again. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, myself.
You know, man, nowadays, I bet you a young man that go call me now. Watch him a run.
Wake up. The get up, me need to spread up the bed. Because you play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something me gonna do. You lie down and sleep, big and lazy for you go and go look up. Get up, man, you're too big and lazy. Get up, man, I want to spread up the bed. Get up now. Done! I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. I can't take them and sit here no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now?
I mean, the ask time because you're bigger, you don't know time. Sorry.
What my boot there?
How which shoes that you're asking about? I mean, help take care of your foot?
It's my boot there, man. Because you see, you have to take big song going like say, it's an invitation to a conversation. I like how you deal with things, man. You go early like morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. Tired, man. Man, just, yo, I hear me. Just do what you do, answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just look at your brown skin and it's something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody. Yo, I hear me. Just give me some time, yeah, sir. I wake up myself properly because early in the morning I have nothing to deal with. Oh boy. So wait, say food I start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on the table, you ask for food?
You mean? 5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah? 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. That would be good. National dish, tin mackerel, saltfish. I don't know what's going on with it. Something wrong, but yeah, you're rough.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel, and you they come. Where you think about pepper? Pepper every day. Me no want you nothing about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as me live. Me tell you that you go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes, some people are grateful, listen, man. And people in Africa right now, they be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now, tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me, you chat too much.
Chat can't too much, you never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk on this early.
I'm a friend.
Yo, mama, I know say a man probably today, but just go on like a one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What man?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things are going on, you know. What you say now? We can't come check you later.
The phone did this. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. I'm going to check you.
Just let me know when the man is around, man.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. God no? Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I want to know who that best friend is.
You're going like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm my friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena. No Angelina.
And the
Tangelina?
same girl you always see me with.
Girl?
Mm-hmm.
That you say? I want to see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name. But a she name Angelina. And matter of fact, I question about your friend them.
I want to see that best friend. It's alright, know yourself. But they're dark, must come a light. Angelina, you have to talk about. Crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on, piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here, sir.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to do? You drop your head, but come out and come sit. And come check me.
I lucky things
You're busy with your best friend, not true?
I lucky things that me did wake up you. If you're glad to wake you up, I lucky thing me wake you up because maybe you're that pissy then.
It's a cross history, right? And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside like a while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come hear something lick up out there. Me can't ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good man. Big up yourself.
Oh, yeah, sure, man. Best friend?
Yo, mama.
But I don't want girls.
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey. I go, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss. Alright.
Hey, bro. I say one fire, a me man and moving and thing. Living.
I mean, fire just left. I mean to see a long time man, the girl is the man. I was saying I go down the door. Now go down there.
But take back your man and let me get back me woman.
You see all them screen and them on them Bibles, no work. You have to come and work, do your hours them, and go work at your yard.
So about the soup them, I tell about the soup. Anytime the soup them come around, the people them run up and down, I wonder why.
Soup. Man, they can't, when they say man they ask you for jump, just ask how high. You may tell you? Because them man they, them get the orders. As a matter of fact, we just get the order from the soup. Because them man they get the orders from Andrew. Anybody this Andrew, if you lock them up. You could have hear Andrew. You're supposed to reach to feel them. You see me? You know about thief and criminal and this. A waste of time that. We get more money if we go for people with this Andrew. Anybody hear this Andrew one? Carry me in. If you don't have to carry me in, you plan some funny. You see me I say? Anybody, you just want to know say, one thing is Andrew.
And you know some here saying say anyhow you win again. Everybody in the house I get one clocks. You see all iPhone 13, 14, something like that.
sex then in their sex. I'm gonna kill you.
Alright, like we're not getting no call now, just go on now, my business. So if we can't get to sleep.
Alright, Hello, this is Redburn Police Station. Hello, officer. Hello. How may I help you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, say Angela come and I'm going to take my money. And please, me after my phone, I can't come and give me back my money.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, I will need some information from you. I will need your address and your name, please.
What does that have to do with my money with anything?
Ma'am, I need to know your address so I can come. So tell me your address and your name.
Okay. Negril.
Alright, so Negril Bottom Row. What's your name? I didn't hear you.
Let me talk to her. Hello, Susie?
Hello.
Detective Red Boot here. We don't have any gas in our vehicle.
If I did Andrew, that's fine.
You know, we have special treatment for Andrew. Where he's a king. He's a king.
What is the prince? Which king?
He's a bro god.
So what about me?
We don't value you.
You have blood run through your body like when you have blood run through your body.
He's a special kind.
What?
He's a special kind. He's a bro god.
Yeah, Andrew goes up my big.
Just tell us to come and
Come on, this is code red. We know if you're friend, yeah.
Shadi, look at man everybody work with us something there now. Cause I don't know how it tight up. You Shadi? How are you putting that? That crazy girl putting that? Our girl up. You Shadi? How are you putting that? You good though?
Yeah man, me just like how you take care of my body.
My ex-man.
Yeah, that the mad girl, yeah. My girl, the man don't want you.
Yo, me take a restraint order up on a girl already, you know. Come out of me out.
Hey, come out of that.
Yo, how would that? Girl, come out. Wait a minute.
Hey.
No, this is serious. Yo, Shadi, give me phone there. Give me phone there.
You behave, call the police. Make you handle this, I swear.
Yo, girl, go put on that something there. Mister, go put it down. Mama, me left, mama, go put it down.
Hello? Red Boots Police Station.
Officer, you know. Ex-girlfriend that me had right now. And he have a gun and he have a knife. She be here moving a new girl in my house and now she want to kill me because of that.
Verify address for me, no?
Yeah, on the hillside we live, yeah. Third house. Yeah, she kick off the door there after up and come now. What you say? No, on the White House, man. Yo, you know no girl, me take Christian out all about fire attack to the man. Me just say Christian out that man over there. What mean say you don't know? Yes, I be said one man. No time you come and hear the man when she beat me up. What?
So you know how much shot is in the gun?
Let me say, what kind of gun? Me don't know what kind of gun. I'm going to ask you what kind of gun. I'm going to have bullets in that gun. Let me say, what kind of bullet? Hey, yo, don't job, you know. When I laugh on station for.
Okay, but I'm sorry we don't have any vehicle now, you know. We don't have any vehicle, no vehicles here. Shh, Nico. Oh, you know not what? You know no vehicle. Oh no, never no vehicle in emergency yet. Yo. Alright. Yeah, everything good. Everything good, myself. Everything good. Shh, Charlie, come here, Jason. Turn up at the fence. If she kick off the door, turn up there. If she fire one shot, go down low. You hear me say? If she kick the door off, you still turn up and just go down low if you fire the shot. You have an idea? Do a video. Can you do the video them Andrew then find out quick? Yo, Andrew. Me nah go nowhere. You couldn't look at the time. Early time I was mama. What am I right now? Dirty boy. Dirty boy. Idiot. This a better. You can still out there, not still out there. Aren't there? Yo!
My girl, go on here, yeah. The man don't want you. What do you man go on here, yeah?
Yo. Look what I go on social media. Somebody this broker again. Yo. I'm sharing.
Yes, Redwood Police Station. Say what? Call Andrew. I'm coming. Call Andrew name. Can't call my boss name. Yeah? Who's the Andrew? What's the Andrew? Sorry. What's the Andrew? Who's the Andrew? Yo, put it up.
Yo, officer.
You're under arrest for the illegal use of the word Andrew and for dissing Brogan.
So yo, hear me answer now? Yeah, daddy. Yo, me call a while ago. And me calling and telling them my girlfriend, ex-woman out at the door, you know. Yo, police, and me just calling a while ago, you know. Only say no drive and no down there, you know. Forward, you know. And me tell my ex-girlfriend out at the door with gun and kick off the door, you know. So if I wash it there, best not pass her with the gun and everything. That kid will want to kill me then. Yes man, and me just calling a while ago, general. You understand me? I say, so if me never say Andrew name, uno come and make she get wet. You know what I mean? This have go up on CVM and JBC,
sir,
and TVJ.
I'm unable to tell you that from the said word Andrew. It's my duty to find you anywhere he is, anywhere you are, and lock you up. I don't care about no gunman, no gunwoman, or nothing else. Just the word Andrew. Don't you dare use that word again.
Alright, tell Andrew, sorry boss. Tell Mr. Andrew, your boss said, I apologize for using name, but I only way to save my life because when the name come, if you hear a gunman there, but as me say Andrew, before I could answer all next, you kick off the door next. Everything good.
Yeah, dog, I tell a dog from what day, I try to tell us, yo, you need to take the music seriously. So I say, dog, yeah, man, because I don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust there now, and I be a fuckery dog I sing right now. So when you deal with your thing, a Bob Marley type of thing, you understand?
What you mean, man? I do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
yeah, dog, that's so we are going to deal with the thing this year. You see what I say?
See that funny black man? What's me as a woman?
I don't even know who she, you know, but you see me? But remember when I tell you, say, you know, dog.
Grandma!
Oh, you who they call? Ken? You're rich man. Come in.
Man, go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No joke.
Tap, you see me?
You know what's going on?
You know you're in your teeth, so. Yeah, do me happy to see your grandma. Okay, come in, man. Put on the toothpaste. You sit down and talk. You can send me?
Yes. Mommy, send something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
You know?
Yeah.
Her face looks so sour.
I know so she come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I would really like to know what is going on because me welcome in you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you and me welcome you, but as you see time kind of stiff and you little work the one me do the little egg then now sell all that fast.
Yes,
and me have my
grandma.
grandson here to and his mother sometimes send but you know so them eat like a farmer house. So then this yam every day. So me need some more money and resource so me no mind you come in and stay in here with me. But at the end of the day what you go do?
No, mommy no money and you send me down here so if we go and look and work for me in time when me down here. So me just come down for one work and I can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, if you know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you about. I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money, them start feeding gone up. People then come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake or every now and then and sell. And me have the little bit them money what they give me. But me have the bills them to pay. The water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill. All of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so me not go treat you bad. No try not to treat you bad. But remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people. Because me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then they come to go look what you have. And then I have nothing to give and me can tell you that. So as long as you will obey me and hear what me say and I go to the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and you get along.
Grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church, so you know, when you long out your mouth when we wake up a many time to say, follow me go to church.
Grandma, me will behave myself, me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me to do, me I go do it. Mommy not tell you how me stay. Me not come out of the house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church and me not left here. Because I know say when they say y'all alone there, then go there fishing at my gate. And I don't want nobody at my gate there fishing, because no fish not over here. So keep them away from my gate because I know they have a shot in what there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come down. So remember that. Remember me tell you.
Yes,
remember me warn you from this first day you come.
No,
so
Grandma,
can't say me no warn
I
you.
have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come for work. I don't have them listen to my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But anyway, you come down and breathe.
Why you talk so, Grandma?
You go see, because I don't know how you
don't like that, Grandma. You know if you say them something there, Grandma. If you think positive.
You can't take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good and me now go have the time for to straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them something then they go on. So why when me come down there that go happen? And Grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them down here so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here so what you need they see up there so come in and which part of the son will live. Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna live. So me don't know. But at the moment with that the conversation can be positive about life.
Yeah,
so me will show you your room where you can stay.
Yeah.
Seymour!
Can't get a game off like I look bad.
Just wait, me soon get you. Just wait, me pass the over here.
Seymour! Seymour! Seymour!
Yeah?
Come here, come help your cousin carrying the suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she is still.
Miss Ponce.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to know say reach up. How much part did you say again?
No, St. James.
Oh, St. James. You know, say I be a chopper man what I do.
Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and markets them drive.
Well, just try and see if I can get one of them.
No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. Just I go and easy myself. Be there with the miserable woman. The miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to me, come breed and all them something. She go on. She alright.
Miss Ponce. Miss Ponce.
Yeah. Well, on the ground. I'm going to smell your car.
Yeah, man. All right. Take care of yourself. All right.
Miss Ponce. You know what I say? I want Miss Ponce me did want to talk to, but look here there. Look here there now.
Where the ask, sir?
Miss Ponce.
Nobody over here saying name, sir.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, I do it. That's why I see how pass a while ago.
See, you don't know, so they look for me.
You're supposed to know, say, I'm not joke.
Mm.
Go on to number before I left now. So you look over the place, so you're afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I'm born and grow. You know, and I nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Wish we could have get you in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably. Go on your number before I left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get your number.
Tell them.
Mrs. Chino, what I really talk to my man.
What?
See her the grandma.
Let's see her. What are we? She bright. What do you want to do? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. Then look for what you already talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, see nothing do him.
Grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try to get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You have
Stick
to
up
know.
in. Few time no come yet. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she. Cause she over here, so you over there, so. So wait for your time. Wait. What you going here, so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So, your reason, he not tell you nothing? Oh, you come here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hide them? You see them like push back coat, nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time go on in for me job. Just go on in. You say you go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. Yep, you want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at what happening on my dog neck and choke you. Yes, you know. Where you for? Look here, take time, go down back little further this way. Where you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try to get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me they come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You they come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Her mama come send her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage with it, but it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try not come back at me gate, you know. Now make me see you at me gate again. Oh, what?
Disrespect to that, man.
The little crab was boy about to come at me gate. Tell him where Lord Jesus, me say, the little girl this arrive and he start already. Me, look here. Let me sit down here before me drop down. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down here for?
I don't have to talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come like ask about Miss Punsi. So I just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsi, nobody knows why.
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsi. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsi. So make you fly up and go.
Just start we are talking now. Just start.
And for you go there, if you don't tell say nobody name some walk come back in. You stand up out there keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other end because when they see you, then go and give you a nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breathe me through gate, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go along, you know. As a matter of fact, come go along in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go and go in, wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
The man I meditate again.
Oh.
You see, you're gonna go, not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what you mean, Anton. She kill up by herself. But when you come down here fast. She alright.
So, basically, we can link up on night time.
Boy. So when she stay, I have to plan and I have to tell her what I go on. We can link up, yes. But me have to, no.
Alright, then I see how we're ready.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later.
Chat.
You knew not this, you know.
I tell her, say, last son, I tell her about it, man. Yo, why she give me away? Yeah, man.
So then stay, man.
If me have one next girl like that one, me run off and jump over one cliff, you know. You think I joke, man. You think I joke, brother, man. I tell her, say,
brother.
Hey, may I say the girl empty me house, you know.
Well,
done everything in there, you know. Then him turn on, yes, hey, you think of that, you think of that. He empty house and gone with all I said them. You don't know where I'm going with them.
Bad woman.
When I say God, he can't turn around and burn up my clothes, you know.
What? I'm going to worse than you, man. Can me get 2 penny one at a time, you know, for me, no, man. One enough for me. Yeah, man, choke me, I tell you.
Yeah, no, where you said 1 out of 2.
You man say pregnant me, man, and me buy everything for him, man. Everything, you know, brother. Pyjama and really night clothes, baby clothes, everything. You see in the pit, man. Brother, one of them out there twin enough for me. You believe that, brother?
I want a wicked girl, that, brother. I want the wicked man.
Yeah, when me look on the tooth, me go hospital, go look in car, me say I'm pitney. When me go, me see him face screen drop, like him out to cry. So me say, man, I put them there. He can't answer. Me just walk out, you know, man. Not a word in English I get to tell you, but watch you know. Better me take them too. Because he go foreign, his mother there foreign, he go foreign and come back. And the 2 picnic, I want to teach a girl, you know. The 2 picnic, one of them are accountants and one of them are nurse. Truth I tell you, know. So better me did take them. If me did take them, whether they get nurse money and accountant money too.
Yeah,
you know,
man. Yeah, man. I tell you, so they out there, my brother. They out there, man. They're terrible out there. Yeah, man. They're wicked for two, man.
Yeah, man. That's true.
So, man. Right now, boy, I think to come more, you know. You know, the rum done, you know.
Not drink look more too, man.
I want to drink that for you right now, brother. I tell you. I want if you girl can give
man, you must can get a choice from him. See if you can get a choice from him, man. Eh? Yes, man. From man, with the they drink, man, we must can get a choice.
What you mean, man? Yo, they are beating from man for two, man. Yo, you call him if you get a trust, but this I done, you know.
How you mean?
When you want to chase a brother.
Call him that, man, we get a trust, man. How are you?
Call him. Sharpie. Sharpie. Come in now.
Now come back, give me 2 minutes.
Alright, do your thing, we're there. Yeah, man, I will answer, man. There, man, I go and hold it, see him here, man. Well, I tell us I'm not pretty.
Yes, I'm going to know.
Well, go on.
That more here than you call me.
Well, there, I hold it, you know, everything good otherwise.
Yeah,
see you look like you cook around there. Eh?
I'll cook around with you, boil the water.
Man, you're burning up, you know. But you look like you got fresh up though, Shappy. Fresh up on an idea, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I thought on an idea. Anyway, you want now, no say, I flash I run out. And we are one people want flash from you.
Remember say, oh, me some money, you know?
Yeah, I know Shappy, man. You know where you going, man. But you know, don't know where you go, man. They are flash for a man. I run out of money still, you know. Yeah, man, they are flash for a man, man. All the last time you run out of New Orleans sitting there. So I say, well, I take it from you in the evening. God knows.
So when you go give me a little something, you hold me?
Yeah, about Friday, you know.
But like I say last time, I know, you forgot to, eh?
Yeah, you know, say sometimes money they not come in, or want if you come in, you know. You understand? I just that I think, you know.
That's why you should give me at least $100, $200, no. You would have cut down, no? And see you walk on trust, funny, no, carry up higher. We're not going to get that little something, there, no. Listen me, I'll get a drink for you one, but not for you and your friend, no. I mean, I will trust you half you, no. I'll give you 1 drink for yourself. I mean, I'll trust you for you and your friend, so they can get trust for you one, no.
Well, you want me, you know, one thing can't share for me and this time I want to get a drink.
So I'm data. You don't drink liquor too?
Because your bill high up, if you got that few bill head and female, no, and you take long to pay. Remember say year before last year, I owe me 6,000, no, and you intend to pay me. Every time I ask you, nothing not go on, and you know, said things slow, you find all type of excuse to give me, and you not even pay all 200, 500, not give me no money, no at all. So me, you not intend to say nothing, no? Because I not trust you nothing. You're mad. A police me so called upon you.
No, man, nobody with that, man. Nobody with that, man.
Nobody with that.
Yeah, but Shappy, you couldn't just come as someone and take 1 drink for my friend, man, 1 drink for myself, or buy 1 drink for myself, man, or trust, yeah, I can't give my friend a drink, man. That right, man, I not this my friend, man. I not this to you know. So I deal with, nah, this to man, if you can help you, man. Yeah, man, because you don't know where they are from, man, you know, we are drink, I just run out a little cash, you know. But it will go happen still, man, if I'm tomorrow morning, man. So I deal with, tomorrow morning we can't deal with it.
You don't know this man, you know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Go up a top road there, some man. Go trust out the whole of my friend, bar, man. You have all 9,000 bill up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This man pile up your bill and can't let you walk away and laugh after you and go give young girl free money. You don't know why? Already me here saying get 25,000 and look for pay me and go give my girl around here so if you go suck off brace.
So Ella, and then something you are going with, man. Suck off some element sitting there. But you are going hard, man. You are going hard, brother. want to go on with my general. I'm a little plan, you know. Yeah, man, I make up a thing to get the afternoon. Yeah, man, I work out a way to get the afternoon, man. But yo, hear me, I say that go on, man.
Yeah, man. How are you, man? You don't know what I say. You want to enjoy yourself, man. Eh? Why you say enjoy yourself now?
Well, yeah. Sharpie, get you with the money, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, what you talk about? You know, say that's how we work, man.
So give me money now.
Alright, where I come, man? I come with it, man.
Why me not feel good?
I'm to you now.
Come to you.
You feel sick, man.
Then sit down, man.
Drink too much rum.
Yeah, deal with, man. Sit down, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, say, man. What up to you?
Man, me not feel good, man.
Yeah, no, eh?
Yeah, man, me sick, man.
So how long now you feel so, man?
Me not feel good, man.
You got to just lean back and easy, man. Lean back and easy, man.
Yeah, man. Pain, man. No feel good. Turn bad, man.
Right, man. Take off your hat, man. Yeah, no. Eh? Yo, that's the yes, man. No matter.
Turn bad, man.
Yeah, no. Sharpie. You don't know how to call it.
Jesus Christ.
You don't have on the counter.
No, me not have no. Me didn't really say alcohol. I me didn't even realize.
Yeah, no,
Call the ambulance. I don't know if ambulance.
Yeah, no, star. Easy, my brother. Easy, brother. Hear me, I say, Sharpie. Give me room, Sharpie, give me room, Sharpie. My future room. Give me room. Just give me room, Sharpie. Yeah, man, I room more, Sharpie. Give me room. Yes, Sharpie. Yo, you go alright now. You go alright. Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah, man, you go alright. My room, come, man. Smell the room, man. Smell the room. Hold on, smell the room, man. Smell it. Smell it again, man. Smell it again, brother. Smell it again. Yeah, man. Smell it one more time. Watch out. Come in, man. Come in here and get a fresh breeze, man. I don't talk about, man.
You don't let the room, man. Yeah, the room. Carry room, man.
Oh, God. It's a good thing you chat. Go feet and carry.
Yeah, man.
Happy. You know what I said? I forgot the room. You know what I said? I want it to go through in my boss. Here. Yeah, man.
Get the shoot.
Yo, keep on it.
Keep on it.
Keep on it.
Crooks police. I got a blue light, you know. Yeah, blue. Who's what that back is here? Officer Smiley. It look like you forced one down and no shoes again.
Look where your crutches are.
Yeah, I got the fear police, man.
Fire away, man. Fire away, go on again.
Oh, you're talking about something looking at a worm.
Worm?
Worm.
Come back on and eat it. See what me do here?
Angelina. Yeah, but want to catch up on the road first. Angelina.
Alright. Run some other time down. Push some other time down. Push some other time down. Push some other time. Who wearing out there?
Papa, what are you supposed to do?
Subscribe, like, share.
I don't want wine.
Come here, make me for subscribe. Same time.
I want to hear that.
Start the party. Because
hello.
No, we should
Murder. Big boy, come here. Come here. Murder! Don't have me attack you, shit. You see that, Atia? Me can remember say when they just meet your father, this is the only thing they get from him. And look how you do it. You can never get nothing more from me again. Go on about your business.
Yes.
Murder! What is it?
If I bowl out. You.
One thing you know like bad mind. Never want to rise and shine. When we reach by the top, them want to be chat. If I know them that and kind. One thing you know like bad mind. You don't want to be top that time.
Why? Pull up the selector.
One thing with bad mind people. What is the for people? So them for us people think bad mind is my life.
You bad. Pull up.
Yo.
We don't come again.
Yo, you want your more money pull up. Tangan road. Contanga road. They want to start it. One thing in my life, bad mind. Never want to see me rise and shine. And me reach on the top, them want to see me top. Never know them that mankind. One thing in my life, bad mind. Don't want to see me flop long time. And reach on the top. Bad mind. But I'm so flop my day. But I'm so like this. Yeah! Pula! How do you pull up? Where's the moon?
Dancing time. Dancing time. Sing.
You're ready, spoon.
Christian and broke out now. Rock out, y'all.
Them no want rust by energy. I use the eye, don't know watching a peep. No, bad mind look from 50. Have a plus 6 mile if I look over see. One thing.
Where you feel? You're better than me.
Yo, no swear I got in there.
Richard.
You got need a gun. I want to have the dance in the ear. Yeah, go on. And I dance in the ear this now. Shot. Come on, please. Don't have boss that in our party.
Can they stop fighting people?
It's coming.